So today we're gonna have a real cool unboxing. This unboxing exactly took 1 year and 7 months to be able to open it. You guys guess what it is? Yes, finally I got the PlayStation 5 and wait a crazy year and 7 months. Now this one comes with the Forgotten West, Horizon, great game. I finished playing one on the PS4, I love it. So it's time to play the PS5. So let's go for the open box right now. All right, so let me present myself. I'm Dario. This is MEDIABOXENT, and we're gonna have this cool open box. But first, make sure you subscribe to MEDIABOXENT by hitting right there in the side and notification bell. Why? Because it's gonna help you in the next project when we bring more consoles. We talk about console. Did you already check the Steam Deck? I have a real cool video on the Steam Deck. I'm gonna leave it right there in the side right now. Open the window, leave that in the side. After you finish this one, check it out, the one on the Steam Deck. So let's go. Let's open this right now. Ooh. So we got it. We took the first box. So we continue with open box. Amazing game, guys. You played this one. I played the first one. Real cool in my PS4. So let's go now and let's have a cool open box of the PlayStation 5. All right, so finally we got everything out of the box. So we just go over for a second. USB type A to C, power cable, HDMI cable, the controller. They already have another one. I bought it 2 years ago, even with the games, and still not able to use it. Now these are the base manual, and the game is already digital, so should be installed right there. Pretty heavy. I think it weighs a few kilos or maybe 2 kilos. Cool design. It's different when you see the picture, when you're just having your hand. I think it looks pretty cool. Pretty simple. 2 USB right in the back, RJ45 HDMI cable, and power. Pretty clean in the front. The only logo of the PlayStation is right over there. And if we're looking right over here, USB type A and macro USB for whatever you want to put right there, and one for power and one to execute the CD. Now these are the base. There are a few ways to mount this, so you keep it this way. So we're looking at the front. Yes, a little confused with the design. You can see what is the front, what is the back. And well, this is the CD version. I was sorry a little bit. I didn't know what to do. Is it really get the digital version of this? But you know, you can always get some CD, and in the same time, I guess you save some space too if you have the CD. So I like to have CD and also digital is cool because you don't need to be swapping CDs. Everything is preload right there. So give it and take. All right, guys. With this, we complete the video. Make sure you check my Steam Deck review. I'm gonna leave you right there and the link right there. And I'm sure one video I'm gonna do, we're gonna be comparing the Xbox Series X versus PlayStation 5. So I got my Xbox Series X, the release day. So that was almost like 2 years ago, and I love it. I'm super happy on it, and I'm 100% on it. The question is, what is going to be the difference between these two? So I'm definitely going to come out with that video as well too. So check the Steam Deck, and that's it. Share, like, and comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.